Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have 2007 E350 BM a Mercedes Benz, and we have this computer here. The problem for this computer, it is burning coils. As soon as you put a coil, the coil get burned. So they found another computer, as you see here. We read the information from the original one. We are writing it back to this one, and then we are going to check it out and see if it's that gonna solve the problem or not. Now one coil is being disconnected, so let's program this one now, and then we see the result of this test. So now we are writing the ext 50%. It's kind of slow. We're using hex proc. We solder the wire in a boot mode, 2 power from here. The hex proc have to have connection to the power, and we are just advancing it. I'm gonna turn this one on because in a few we are going to write down this information. EXT flash, it look like a little bit stronger, or maybe I want to say a little bit longer, or maybe the files are big. We can compare those files in a few after we put them, because I have both of them. EXT flash sector 32. Let's keep going. Right now I'm writing the EX file, and that one is very simple, very small. Complete. So now I'm done with this one. I'm gonna take it out, desolder the wires, and then we'll go to the next step. So I'm gonna close this. I can go to hexcam and see, load the first file from the desktop. I know the file 00. This is one from the junkyard, and then I will go to the second. This 100. If you notice, it totally different information. You see here, totally different information, different part number. You see here. Some of them the same. It's a lot of software here. And one of them more line than the other one. Okay, I'm going to disconnect it now and then we take it from there. Okay, disconnect the battery. Take the power here. Okay, this is the car here, and we already read the computer. So we're gonna put this computer inside. You just plug it in for me. I gotta hold this for you. Just plug it.
Plug it?
Yeah. Take it down.
Okay.
One day, the guy changed the oil in the car. I told you or not, and where is the coil that keep burning? That one?
This one is unplugged.
That's burned already.
You burned already?
So you can't put it.
I told him to come and
You have to get another one and then let's.
plug all this.
Yeah, but only this one. Let me try it now and then we take it. If the car starts, then you have to do the rest. Okay. Car start fine. We know we need to get one coil. You can't, if you left the car here, the paper. Okay. Now this car running fine. This coil keep burning. Now I believe we're gonna put this coil. We're gonna get a new coil here. See that's the reason. The burning coil. We're gonna put a new one, and then we see what happens. Hopefully everything will be okay. If this is only one coil that makes this, like one cylinder making this misfire?
Yeah.
Wow, running bad.
Before you burn up,
Yeah. So we don't know if it's gonna be. How long before it burns? Right away?
No, right away.
Walaikum salam, brother. How are you?
Not right away.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tell him to get one coil. We put it in and then we see what happens. That's the only thing we do now. I'm gonna turn the ignition off so that we're not gonna burn the catalytic converter. Okay. You see now, hold.
Everything inside there.
Okay, now here is done for this car, and this can go for variety of cars. whether it's European car, Chinese car, American cars, that Mercedes, they are Mercedes built or assembled in China or in Europe or in manufactured in Europe or in Brazil or in the United States of America. I believe this is the same thing because the computer that inside is the same one. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.